Welcome, my first name is an Alcatel 1X, and today I will show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and let's find the Do Not Disturb mode somewhere in the toggles. So it's right here for me on the second page. So enabling it, you just need to simply tap on it, and that's about it. But if you want to set it up, you can actually hold the toggle. That will take you to the settings where you have way more options. So number one, start with the priority only allowances, which will allow you to make reminders on event basically not be affected, or can disable them. So when you have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled, the event reminders will still not give any sound off. Then you have messages and calls. Both of them have the same option, so we'll just go over one. But basically, for both of them, you can have calls and messages from anyone, contacts only, steered contacts, which is just your favorite contacts, and a none, which blocks everybody. So choose the one that you want. So for instance, I can choose for both of them. From steered contacts, which is the favorites, and then the last thing you have here is repeat callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, it will not basically block them, or well, you will be aware of them actually calling you. Otherwise, you will not have any kind of indication that they called you. So as an example, if you have right now steered contacts only that can call you, and just a normal contact calls you, by the first time you will not see that they're even calling, so there won't be any sound or visual indication. But if they call a second time within the 15-minute period, you will actually just have them call you normally, as though the Do Not Disturb mode is not enabled. So this is a good option to have for some emergency situations. So if someone really wants to call you, they usually spam call, so they call multiple times within a 15-minute period of time if something really happened. And this is a good way for you to be actually aware of someone trying to call you at the moment. And then once you have set it up as you want it, you can go back. And then last thing we have is either enable one of these automatic rules or creating our own. So I'm gonna create my own. Let's go with the time one, name it whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. And once you will have number one, days that you want it to be working in, and start and end time. Now as an example, I'm going to create a work rule, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, as a normal kind of thing. So let's go Monday through Friday, there we go. Start time 9, end time 5, and then Do Not Disturb mode preference, priority only. So this is the one that we have customized. You have also two other ones. So you have alarm only and total silence, which both of them, the two below, don't actually have any customization. So an alarm only the alarm will ring, and total silence is just nothingness. So you might as well just kind of turn off your phone, I would say, if you want total silence. So I will go with priority only. And then also you have the alarm can override end time. So if you set an alarm, it will finish the Do Not Disturb mode before 5, for instance, right? So if you have alarm at 4, it will turn off the Do Not Disturb mode at 4 instead of 5 as we have set right now. So once it's all set, you can go back and it will be automatically turning on and off now. So if we go out, that's about it. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.